This is going to be a quick video on how to disassemble and reassemble the Browning Medalist. You are first going to take out this screw. Remove the grip. You are now going to remove this screw right here. It will hang out very slightly. You will know when to stop because it'll start slipping. Now that that's out, you're going to pull this back, the slide, all the way, push back, and pull up. You have now removed the barrel. You will now remove this by pulling forward. It'll be spring loaded. You're going to pull the spring off and the pin out. These will both be loose. You have now disassembled the Browning Medalist. To reassemble, you are going to go in reverse order. Pin in, spring in, spring on there. Hold this all the way back. Lock that in. Let that slide forward. Tighten your screw. Replace forward grip. And you have now disassembled and reassembled your Browning Medalist.